A great Persian dish of slow roasted eggplant blended into tomato and garlic sauce and completed with the final addition of eggs scrambled into the mix. Great as an appetizer or a main course. Let's start our ingredients. We need 2 eggplants, 3 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 3 eggs, and 5 cloves garlic. Mash your garlic and dice the tomato. Grill your eggplants on the stove with a heat diffuser or an outside grill. You can even use oven. Peel the skin off the roasted eggplants and finally dust them with a knife or mash them with a fork or potato masher. Heat your pan and add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Add turmeric and saute the garlic until golden. Add mashed eggplant and cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. Push with a spoon and mash them more. Add chopped tomatoes and tomato paste and salt and pepper. Cover and cook for another 15 minutes on medium heat. Add eggs to the mixture and stir it all together. Cook it for another couple of minutes. And done! Your delicious grilled eggplant dish with tomato and garlic sauce is ready! Enjoy! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!